Hi guys, hope you are happy. Today I would like to say the code to upgrade Cisco IOS XE from version 17. Um, Firstly, as normal, let me explain my code in brief. Always my code start with name equal command, and I try call the main function, and you try accept to catch error in case. And in my main function, I uh, input the spanner and define some the variable. Firstly, the file path is location, sell the new firmware I need to upgrade for my device, and I import the device list from the device list file. This one I define on my device here, and I use the getPath library to the hiding the backward when I type in a CMD, and I define some the queue and some dictionary for the say the result when I want to bring the result. Firstly, in the real progression, when I do to upgrade device, the firstly I need to check the result of device. The result is mean the phrase bear whether I can copy the firmware to the flash or not, and I check the boot variable. The boot variable I need to check the whether device has the same version with A1 or not, and check the boot variable seem like the device is installed bundle mode or the install mode. The boot if in case device is installed the bundle mode, I need change to the install mode. Set the boot system boot flash the bucket config and no the boot menu, and set command. In this case everything okay. I will inform to the user, and in case the device has firmware the copy before already, I need check the empty file of device one more time. Okay, and after the check the result complete, I need copy the file to the boot flash of device. I use the multi-process and call the file process to copy the file, and also call the monitor progress for the visualize the copy path progress in the CMD. Okay. My file progress, I use copy HTTP and point to the my file names, and copy to boot flash of device, and I call the two multiple process. Two process for both the one device, one to copy file and one show the percentage. So percentage help me show the how many percent copy percent complete and the how many remain, and after the copy complete, I need verify MD5 and show the result for user, and then go to the upgrade in the install mode. You know, in install mode we need do the 3 step, right? One is we need to install add file. Same like we extract the OS to the boot flash. I also use multiple process to add extract the OS to the multiple device at the same time using the up add firmware. In this function, I will check whether the device has inactive firmware. If has, I need confirm to user device cannot install the add file one more. In case device don't have, I will install add file boot flash with the file name. Okay, and then bring the result here, and then go to the activate firmware. The activate firmware come to the up activate firmware, and call one more the queue to get the user confirmation whether they want to edit the firmware in this device or not. interactive device. When the user confirm want to active the firmware in the device, I send command into active with the prompt level none, without the device without need confirm yes or no. You know, when you active device after device check-in, and device will ask you do you want to process to activate, so you choose yes or no. So the prompt level none will ignore this prompt. Okay, and then after the activate process complete, I need to bring the firmware, activate firmware reset, and go to the commit and remove the inactive. The commit gone to the upcommit firmware. I need to verify the version, current version of device with the version in the file name, and then we install remote inactive to release any the inactive file in the Z device. Okay, after that, bring the reset and complete my program. So let me open my topology. Okay, I had the 4 device. Device 1, I operate to the my version already. This is the version. Okay, 17.x.x already. And sorry, and device 4, I copy the firmware, and device 2 and device 3 is empty, so when the current it will copy the firmware to them. Okay, let me show the console. Device 4, this one I operate already is the version. Okay, so when the current it will ignore this device. Okay, so device 2 need copy the firmware, because now input flash it doesn't have this firmware I need. And device 3 okay, I copy already, so when device check it tell me I don't need copy firmware to this device. And device 4 same like device 2, I need copy. Okay, let me check the IP, make sure. Okay, okay, okay. So now I will go to the CMD and run my code and check how it works. Okay, and device has the program add me the username backward and enable backward, and then run a checking result. You see device 1 51 install this version already, and device 2 32 at the firmware. The file can copy. And device 3, you see the file already exist and in the file check path, so don't need copy from B to Z device. Only to device 2 and device 4 need copy file, so the program copy firmware and show the visualize progress. Okay, after the copy firmware complete, we need to wait a few seconds to check the MD file. Okay, you see the MD file check-in device 1 already version, so don't need check. device 2 the path, device 3 the firmware already copy, and device 4 the path. So now do we need you want upgrade the firmware? Yes. And now the install the add-in firmware, eject the OS to the boot flash. So we need to wait a few 5 minutes. Okay. So install add file resource, perform 3 device install add file success. So now we need to edit the firmware on the device 4. Yes. Device 2, yes, and device 3 I assume I don't want, so no. Okay, so the activate will take around 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, let's be patient, and I will pause the video and come back when the code show me the result. Okay, right after the activate complete, we have result device 3 active skip, device 2 and device 4 active success. So now we go to the commit device and remove the inactive firmware. The commit will do after the device reboot and come up already. So now we still wait around 5 minutes. Okay. After commit, I have 2 devices has started commit done. Okay, so now device my device upgrade to the new firmware and my program stop here. Let me open console and recheck one more time. Device 2. I have the new version. Yes, this one. Okay, and let me check whether I removed inactive the flat and only one edit packet, right? So install summarize and only one image is commit, C is committed. Okay, go to the device 4 and so version. Okay, new version, right? And okay, only one active bucket, and okay, only one image commit, right? Device 3 because I ignore activate this firmware on this device. So I saw install summarize. I have one inactive image, this one, and the boot flash. So see 2, yes, to activate image here. Okay, the one we did not do anything, so I don't need. So okay. Thank you for watching, and in this my code I use a lot of function, net micro, rich or color term. Really thank you this library author. I also put the code in comment in case you need. Thank you and bye bye.